Hey guys, Curtis Alexander. In this video, let's talk about one of the major causes of low libido. And if you suffer from low libido, one of the first things your doctor might recommend is hormone therapy. And in some cases, that's okay. But if you address this cause, you may not need to go down that road. So we know that sex drive issues can happen. But what I'm seeing as a pharmacist and just from knowing a lot of people is the fact that we're beginning to see sex drive issues at a younger age, and it seems to be becoming more and more common. So again, the initial response is, well, let's just replace your hormones. Let's give you testosterone. Let's give you progesterone, whatever it might be. Here's what I see. People initially will go on hormone therapy, and it can be very good in the beginning. They see immediate improvement, but over time, they can tend to see their doses continuing to go up. They can see kind of a decrease in their response to the hormone therapy. And a good question comes up, why is this happening? Well, because we're overlooking this major cause, and that major cause is stress. Now, here's what I need you to understand. We're not just talking about stress from, say, stress at your job or stress with your marriage or your family life. This can be stress from not providing your body the nutrients it needs, because the nutrients that you're taking in through your diet either drive or don't drive your hormone production. Your diet and your lifestyle controls your hormones. So it makes sense if we can help that process, that would be great. And here's the other thing. We've known this for a while. Back in 1999, Swedish researchers did a study and they looked at folks with stress. And when they had stressful situations, again, this could be nutritional, emotional, mental, whatever it might be, we see an increase in cortisol. This does not make cortisol bad. We need cortisol. But we see an increase in cortisol. We can see a subsequent decrease in anabolic sex hormones, things like IGF-1 and testosterone. And that's basically a signal to your body that we're under stress. Reproduction, sex hormones is not important right now. Surviving is. That's still that very old fight or flight response, okay? So what we begin to see is the classic symptoms. You can have mood problems, decreased muscle mass, increase in fat deposition, particularly in men in the belly area, women, the hips, butt, that sort of thing. And then obviously the decrease in sex drive. So the point being, your stress that's affecting your hormones could be a wide range of things. And in one of my next videos, I'm going to go through a list of things you can do to naturally address this. My point being in this video is to remind you that yes, hormone therapy is an option, but unless you address the stress, you're going to have a continued negative feedback loop. You're not addressing your cortisol levels. Yes, you're giving your body testosterone or progesterone, but this increased cortisol is going to continue to tell your body to tamp down your natural hormone production, which is why I particularly think that I see these increases in doses and decreases in responses over time, because we're not addressing the root cause, which is the stress in your life. Again, I'll go into more detail about things you can do to address that naturally. I go into much more detail at my website, free checklist there. I talk about this a lot on my email list, so make sure you go and grab that. Hope this video was helpful, you guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.